Hello everybody. So this is how you put the other leaves into their respective holes. So I pivoted these three leaves to expose these three holes. So what I did was I carefully positioned this leaf under these three, and gently with my pincet I will nudge it into position. And take some time. Okay, now the peg is approximately on top of the hole. You want to move it into place carefully. Okay, see, now we're okay with this. All we have to do is put the rest of the leaves here. There's just 3 more of them, and yeah, just wait for another video. Okay, this is very hard to do while recording, so please bear with me. Thank you.